In recent times, the concepts of manifestation and the law of attraction have gained significant popularity. Many people are intrigued by the idea that simply focusing our thoughts and energies can bring our desires into reality. However, as much as these principles are revered, they can sometimes feel elusive or challenging to master. Too often, individuals invest in expensive courses or trains of thought without reaping the desired results. This article delves into an ancient and divine practice called Soham meditation that promises to calm the mind and hone the power of manifestation. The struggle with manifestation. Understanding why we struggle to manifest our desires is crucial. Many of us deal with restless minds filled with numerous thoughts, negative emotions, and unresolved feelings. This constant mental clutter disrupts our focus and inhibits our ability to manifest our true desires. It's essential to first quiet the mind and attain inner peace. The power of manifestation only arises when the mind is calm and stable. If the mind is busy with activity, stress, or resentment, it may only manifest the opposite of what we truly wish for. Addressing this core issue, we present a powerful practice to help calm and focus the mind, thereby enhancing your manifestation capabilities. Introduction to the Soham meditation practice. Soham is an ancient Hindu mantra with deep roots in Sanskrit. Literally translating to I am that, it connects us to the supreme universal power. The Soham meditation is a practice that brings peace, confidence, and an innate connection to the universe itself. Soham is composed of two Sanskrit words, so, meaning he, or that, and aham, meaning I. It signifies the union of the individual self with the universal consciousness. According to ancient scriptures, it is believed to represent the essence of Shiva, the universal entity. This profound meditation practice fosters inner tranquility and an impressive sense of self-belief. It channels the unlimited abilities of the universe into the practitioner's existence. Steps to practice Soham meditation. Let's walk through the steps to perform this deeply transformative meditation. Preparing for meditation. 1. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Sit down comfortably and close your eyes. 2. Focus on relaxing your entire body. Notice any tension and consciously let it go. Begin with your feet and progressively move up through your knees, thighs, and so on, until your entire body feels relaxed and light. 3. Once relaxed, start drawing your attention inward. Observe your breath and simultaneously let go of any residual tensions or anxieties. Connecting with the universe. 1. Begin the meditation by envisioning Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati, invoking their presence mentally as you proceed. 2. Focus completely on your breathing process. Inhale deeply, thinking, so, and exhale thinking, ham. This breath pattern creates a natural rhythm that calms the mind. Maintaining the mantra. 1. Chant the mantra silently within your mind. As you inhale, mentally sound, so, and as you exhale, sound, ham. 2. If you are unable to maintain, Soham, you may use, I am. Inhale with the thought, I, and exhale with, am. The core principle remains similar, channeling the intent and focus within. Experiencing the state of awareness. 1. While practicing this meditation, imbue the mantra with your full heart and soul. You should feel that you are an omnipotent, omnipresent being in tune with the universe. This is critical to derive the full benefits of the mantra. 2. The process should be free from mechanical repetition. Acknowledge simplicity and ease as integral parts of the meditation. Deepening the practice. 1. Invite yourself to question any arising thoughts. Ask yourself, to whom do these thoughts occur? Avoid overanalyzing, and watch them naturally dissolve. 2. When your mind is still, return focus to your breath. With every inhale, sound, so, and with every exhale, sound, ham. 3. As practice continues, you will gradually let go of irrelevant thoughts and emotions. Each breath will bring a deeper sense of peace and release. The transformative power of silence. As you advance in practice, the verbal components may become unnecessary. You may find yourself resting in mindful silence, experiencing profound peace. This state, devoid of words but filled with awareness, grants an immense sense of freedom and creation. Each session presents a new opportunity for awakening and realization. Over time, habitual practice will lead you to shed all undesirable elements within, bringing you into a serene, tranquil state of being. Visualizing your wishes. Once you have achieved a deep state of relaxation through Soham meditation, it's time to bring your desires into focus. Clearly visualize your wishes coming true. Feel the emotions of having already achieved what you are aiming for, reinforcing this visualization with the energy from your meditation practice. The Soham meditation practice is not just a technique but a pathway to altering your mind and tapping into the universe's infinite potential. By cultivating inner peace and self-confidence, it becomes a powerful tool in honing manifestation abilities and transforming one's outlook. Connecting deeply with our core selves via this meditative practice makes way for an unprecedented shift, ushering in tranquility and boundless creation. By accessing this ancient mantra's potential, you can bring your dreams to reality and unlock a truly empowered existence. Stay committed to the practice, and witness the profound changes it can bring into your life.